So I went back home, looked at my mom, who already told the whole town that her son works for a huge multinational company, own office, measurement she knows, so proud. And I looked at my mom and said, Ma, I just quit my job. And I need to borrow some money. So I got some money from some people and I started networking. And I'm telling you guys, you think you have it hard now? We had it really difficult. We had nothing to show. We didn't have a VCon. We didn't have a name card. We didn't have an address. We didn't have a brochure. We had nothing except a piece of paper and a 40-cent pen. You understand? My coin was delivered to me after 1.5 years. But that made me into a powerful networker because I had nothing to show. And I had to get good at showing the plan without showing any physical product. Are you guys with me? So I thought this was the easiest business in the world. I went out and started showing the plan. Then I realized that, hang on, I got a motorbike with 2 wheels and I'm going to go and show working class people this fantastic business which can make you millions of dollars. So what I used to do is, this is the trick of the trade, I used to set all my appointments in nice restaurants and nice hotels. But never take your motorbike and give it to valet. So I used to park my motorbike really far away from the hotel, tie up the helmet and jacket, and walk into the 5-star hotel like you own it. It's called millionaire mentality. Mr. Vijay taught me one thing. Before you can earn $1 million in your bank account, you have to have $1 million up here. Do you understand or not? All right? So I used to walk into these hotels, sit down with businessmen, doctors, anyone, and show the plan. And after the presentation, you walk to the lobby, right? You walk out to the lobby and you stand there. And the guy's Toyota or Mercedes comes and he looks at you. Patman, where's your car? I said, no, a friend of mine is picking me up. I don't know where he is. You go ahead, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bring the bank draft, we sign you up, get you started. Then the guy leaves. Then I walk to my motorbike, put on the helmet, start the motorbike and go to the next plan. Alright? But the danger is when you stop at the traffic light. Now this really happened to me. I stopped at the traffic light thinking, okay, I got another plan to go to, right? And then I look here, a car, I turn this side and it's the prospect. Then you just put your hand like that and you do this. And the answer to that problem is buy a full face helmet. So they never recognize you. But that's how we started. That's how I started. And I think one of the reasons why I became successful in this business, and there's no secret that is so deep and difficult to understand except one thing. I had nothing to turn back to. It was do this or die. Do you understand? I had nothing. I had no safety rope. I had to take the leap and I had no choice but to fly.